Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check all photos on your Facebook. But before we begin with this video, if you're using Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month. So let's open up your Facebook account and then go to top right to search, and let's say search up my name. So basically you have to click on you, and once you are on your screen, if I were to go down and you see this your post filters, so here are the filters, and let's just go to today, and I don't know, to 2008. You would click on done again, and now it's going to show you posts only from not from up until 2008. As you can see, these were the posts I made. If I go filter and I go a bit closer to the present, as you can see, here are more things. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.